Hey y'all, I think today I'm going to show you something a little different. It's something I don't do very often. The last 3 or 4 days, it's been raining every day. So as you can see right now, it's beautiful outside and there's a great breeze blowing. But last night at the market, because of the rain, I bought groceries thinking I would cook tonight. So weather's great. I'm still going to cook. On the menu tonight, pak boom or stir-fried morning glory. Let's go. Okay, don't make fun of how I use the mortar and pestle. Got my garlic, got my red chilies. Going in. I should have put the peppers in first by themselves. Oh well. My garlic's too mashed. A little bit of oil. We'll let the oil heat up real quick. Here it is. Wait. Ah, smells good. Soy sauce. Whew. And oyster sauce. Here we go. I don't have a wok. I just have to use my little skillet. If this will wilt down, then it will be good. Smells great. A lot of people will make this with sugar, but sugar's not good for you, so no sugar. No fermented soybean paste. All right. I don't want to overcook it. Got a nice bright green going. Let's give it a try. A little salty. Could use a little sugar to take that down a little bit, but Not bad for first try. Now you can eat that by itself or serve it with rice, or sometimes you can have it with some other dishes. You can even put some meat in it. You can put some chicken in it, something like that if you wanted. But just wanted to get some veggies in me for tonight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.